We are so excited. We're going to Arizona for Thanksgiving to be with my whole family. My aunts and uncles and cousins are there, so it should be a really great time. We're so excited to introduce Zeke to the whole fam. Our first road trip with Zeke.
So excited. Okay, we're just here on a road trip.
Yay!
And this is Zeke's road trip with us. And so we got it all cozy in the back.
Yeah, Jake laid down some pads and some blankets.
Some blankies, everything's secured so it won't topple over. And look how cozy. We're gonna have such a great time.
Yeah, I kind of want to be back there. Well, we're halfway through our drive. We're in Page, Arizona. There's Jake and Zeke over there. And we just decided to come to this little dog park area. And it's pretty awesome. There's lots to see and sniff and smell around here. Zeke's been so thirsty, he drank an entire thing of water. Good boy. Well, we made it safely home to Arizona. Zeke's already getting cozy over here, and Jake's all ready for bed. Jake, what's today?
Thanksgiving.
We're going for a hike. Joshy playing on the playground. Hi, Lindy. Putting some stickers on? A little coloring session going on. Oh, were you getting some special attention? Good boy.
Extra fluffy.
Extra fluffy. Mallory, what do you think of Zeke? You like him?
Yeah.
Oh, and we have Bree and Alyssa over here. They just all brushed them. Happy Thanksgiving.
Hey.
Oh, is someone so tired? Did you guys have fun on the hike today?
Yeah, we had a nice, first we did a run around the neighborhood and then we did a hike.
That's so fun. Oh, we have his little diaper on just to make sure there's no accidents, but he's been so good and hasn't even tried. We're so proud of you. He did so good on the hike today and stayed away from all the cacti. It was so beautiful out. We haven't even had turkey dinner yet, and these two are already out. Oh, yum. David, how do you carve this perfect turkey? Carved with perfection. Holly, you're doing a fantastic job over there.
Thank you.
Look at all this teamwork going on. Here's cute little Ava chewing on some ice. Come on in. Hi, Ava.
Hi.
Come on in. What do you want to show me? Getting everything ready for Thanksgiving dinner. We're gonna eat outside. Hi, Brandon. Lindy, what's today?
Well, no, today's Thursday.
It's Thursday?
No, Friday.
Is it a special day today?
Yeah.
What's today?
Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving! Okay, go for it! Woo! Good job, Wade! Oh, there's Zeke and Max. They're having fun playing. They've been so good today. Go, Lindy, go! Woo! Ah, so close. All right, Gavin, let's see it. Close. Ooh, someone's excited. All the food's coming out. Oh my. Mom, this looks awesome.
Well, we're doing a little different. This is a little casual this year, but
Thanksgiving feast. Green bean casserole. What a spread, what a spread. Mitch, what did you really want?
Just this. This is all I want.
the whole leg.
It's the whole leg.
Is it the right
I'd
leg
take
or the
both
left
if it was appropriate.
Do you like that honey baked ham? Yum! Everyone's getting some seats. Okay, Zeke.
You came home.
He's being such a good boy and just sitting there.
Hi, Lindy. What's one thing you're grateful for?
Myself.
Yourself? I'm grateful for yourself too. Hi, Alyssa. What's one thing you're grateful for?
My family.
Your family. Oh, look, and there's Ava. Hey, Brandon.
Yeah?
What's one thing you're grateful for?
Family.
Family? Awesome. Shane.
We're grateful for each other.
Oh, that's the best. Reed, what is one thing you're thankful for?
Food.
Food? Oh, yeah.
Jesus.
Oh, Jesus. You're thankful for Jesus? Good one.
Scriptures.
Scriptures? Oh my goodness, you guys. Kellen, what's one thing you're thankful for?
The Lord.
What's one thing you're thankful for? That we forgot?
Oh yeah, Fortnite. Fortnite. Fork knife.
What's fork knife?
Fortnite.
Oh, fork.
I'm thankful for my underwear. I'm thankful for air.
Ooh, good one. I'm thankful for dogs.
I'm thankful for diapers.
Oh, so now see how the red dot's there? How it says record? So now you... Hi.
Wait, hold on. 3, 2, 1. No. 3, 2, 1. I'm thankful for.
Okay, now you hold it out. Hold your arm out with the camera. There you go. And then you point it up. Then wave, everyone. Hi.
Hi, myself. Hi. Oh. It's lucky. Take a picture of me.
You goofers. You're such a goof. Little goof.
You might as well. No, I mean,
You
you might as
goofs.
well come on my team, I mean.
Well, it's been a super fun Thanksgiving. We're all just taking little group photos. We brought a chair out into the trees and all the kids are playing in the sandbox. Food was yummy. Oh, Lindy's waving. What are you guys making?
I just made a giant melon.
What? That is awesome. Hi. Oh, Liv, those shoes are so cute. I love them. I love them. Oh, hey, girl. Hey. Goodness.
I be rolling.
This pistachio gang.
How do you open them? Let's see.
Shame.
Do you have to open each and every one? Good job, Bree.
Everyone's ready for what, Morgan? The polar bear plunge! Hi, Zeke! Oh, hey, hot tub guys.
I'm not doing it.
You're not doing it? You're not gonna do the polar bear plunge?
I'm just gonna put my leg in.
Oh, that's a great idea.
After they go, I'm just gonna hang on.
Yeah, that sounds great. And then you're gonna come back in the hot tub. It's pretty fun in here. Oh yeah. Mallory, are you gonna do the polar bear plunge?
Probably not.
Probably not. Mom, are you gonna do the polar bear plunge?
What do you think?
Yes.
I don't think so.
Zeke, are you gonna do the polar bear plunge? Oh, hi, man. The crowds go wild. Oh, there's Kellen already hopping in. So last year, I did the polar bear plunge, and it was really cold, but Aubrey got 200 bucks to jump in the pool, and then all of us were like, that looks fun, so then we all jumped in the pool. So now it's kind of a tradition for everyone to do the polar bear plunge on Thanksgiving and jump in the pool.
When she hits the water, we go. Go across.
Woo! Everyone! How was the water? You guys didn't want to jump in? Not appealing? Go, Kellen! Go, Reed, go! Woohoo! Go, Lindy, go! You got this! Woohoo! Go, Brooklyn, go! think about this polar bear plunge?
I would never do it.
Not too late to get in, John.
Oh.
Not too late. And Lindy are playing Mario Kart. Zeke's taking a nap. I'm editing some photos from today. What is this?
How'd you get that?
You got a $20 for jumping in the pool.
Mallory, what is that?
Sherbet ice cream. It's orange kind.
Orange what?
Orange sherbet.
Oh, yum. That looks so good. Is that the special cheesecake?
What is this?
That looks like it's vanilla.
Mine's right here.
So this is vanilla, vanilla, vanilla. That's the orange. And this is the sugar-free and flour-free cheesecake. Okay, this is Josh. Hi, Josh. Hi. What do you like to do?
Pizza.
Eat pizza?
Yeah.
Oh, you like pizza?
Yeah.
Oh, I like pizza. What else do you like to do?
Chicken.
Chicken?
Yeah.
Oh, I like chicken too. Oh, do you like doggies?
I like it, doggy.
Yeah, what kind of doggies?
Special doggies.
Special doggies?
Yeah.
Yeah, what kind? Do you like fluffy doggies?
I love it. Doggies.
Yeah? Oh. What else? Do you like to play outside?
Play outside.
Yeah? What do you play outside?
A dog is outside.
Yeah, dogs go outside, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like to play in the playground?
Yeah, a chicken.
Yeah. What's your favorite at the playground?
Surprise!
The slide?
Yeah.
Hi, Josh. Josh came all the way here from Texas. Do you live in Texas? Yeah. Do you go to Buc-ee's? Yeah. Buc-ee's. I like Buc-ee's. Me too. What do you... Oh, there's a dog right here. You're right.
Ice cream.
Lindy's here and she's done. Okay, that means what should we do?
Play Mario.
We should play Mario?
Mario with the hat.
Okay, with the hat. Did it. Josh, are his eyes closed? What's he doing?
Sleeping.
I hear laughter. What is this laughter going on?
We're just playing Duck Duck Goose.
Oh, how fun! Mandy hooking everyone up. This reminds me of our family reunion in Alabama.
I was thinking the exact same. Except I'm doing this for free now, not for a quarter. I remember Gianna, she's all, and she was giving, I think it was Aubrey massage. She's like, does this feel like paradise? She was like 7.
Keith, does this feel like paradise?
That's pretty good.
Let's do it.
Well, it's been a super awesome Thanksgiving.
Wonderful Thanksgiving.
Yeah? What's something you're grateful for today?
I'm grateful for all the fun family and especially my dog Zeke.
He was so good today, and he just played with all the kids and just took all the hugging and loving. I mean, he wouldn't love that though. He did so good with everyone. Yeah, and he didn't try and steal any food. Good Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
Something I'm really grateful for today is just being at home, being with family, and I'm grateful for my dog too, and the sweetest husband ever.
Oh, thanks, babe.
Lots to be grateful for. Well, we hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving, and we hope you have an amazing week.
Thanks for joining.